Did you know that chiropractic is the #1 healthcare alternative in the world? Yet many people still don't understand what chiropractors do. If you think of the brain as a central computer that controls and coordinates all the functions of your body, then the nervous system is like a communication network that relays messages back and forth from the brain to different parts of the body via the spinal cord. The spinal cord is a long bundle of nerve tissue which extends from the lower part of your brain down through your spinal column. Along the way, smaller braids branch off from the cord and pass out from the spine between each of the movable vertebrae. These braids divide again and again into tiny nerve fibres and fill the entire body, going to each cell, organ and tissue. Every human has an estimated 15 billion nerve cells, sending and receiving messages through the spinal cord. Now, our nervous system is extremely delicate, so what protects it? Our spine. This is what a normal healthy spine looks like. It has 24 movable vertebrae, each working with the one above and below it. A disc separates the vertebrae and acts like a shock absorber and a spacer for the nerve. So why is a healthy spine so important? Well, it protects the spinal cord and the delicate nerve tissue and allows us to bend, flex, twist and move freely without compromising the nerves. If the spine is not moving freely, it's referred to as a vertebral subluxation complex, or for short, a subluxation. This is when two or more vertebrae have lost their normal motion and/or position. This can cause interruption to the normal nerve flow and interfere with the communication from the brain to the body and from the body back to the brain. Compression can exist without pain, so that means where the nerve goes to can be robbed of up to 60% of its nerve supply and you may not even feel it. So what happens when you have a subluxation? That area can start to degenerate in as little as 2 weeks. This degeneration causes scar tissue to develop, which leads to more scar tissue. This degenerative process can continue as long as the immobilization is present, and this type of degeneration is preventable. So for example, the nerve supply from your neck goes to the immune system, pituitary glands, sinuses, face, middle and inner ear, eyes, tonsils, teeth, neck and shoulder muscles. The nerves from your thoracic spine go to your arms, hands and fingers, heart, lungs, gallbladder, liver, stomach, pancreas, spleen, kidneys, small intestine and lymph glands. From your lower back, large intestine, appendix, abdomen, sex organs, uterus, bladder, knees, prostate, lower back and leg muscles, and that's just naming a few. Okay, so now you know where they go. What does that mean? If the nerve supply to anywhere in the body is disturbed, it can eventually lead to a symptom. Symptoms are the only way for your body to let you know that something's wrong. So let's go back to the same spine again. If you have nerve interference in the cervical spine, it can lead to headaches, migraines, lowered immune system, sinus troubles, hay fever, abnormal sleep patterns, eczema, hearing loss, tonsillitis, chronic cough, croup, pins and needles into the arms and hands. In the thoracic spine, asthma, functional heart problems, bronchitis, influenza, gallbladder troubles, liver conditions, blood pressure problems, indigestion, heartburn, gastritis, lowered immunity, allergies, kidney troubles, chronic tiredness. In the lower back, constipation, menstrual problems, bedwetting, knee problems, sciatica, backache, poor circulation, swollen ankles, weakness into legs and cramping, and that's naming only a few. Now you might be wondering what causes subluxations to occur. Gardening, sports, computer work, pregnancy, improper lifting, arguments, food additives, chemicals, birth, poor posture, to name but a few. There can also be mental causes, such as stress. The average 5-year-old has had approximately 2,000 falls, of which 200 are considered serious. But usually an isolated event alone is not to blame. It's an accumulation of many of life's little incidents and accidents. Chiropractors don't treat the symptoms. Rather, they remove the nerve interference, which allows the body to do what it does best, heal itself. Chiropractic is vital in keeping your body functioning at its best possible level by removing nerve interference and allowing the body to heal itself. So for health, wellness and quality of life, chiropractic is the smart choice for you and your family.